In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. A custom domain instantly makes your store look professional, boosts customer trust, and helps with brand recognition. We'll walk through buying a new domain directly inside Shopify, which is the fastest way to get everything connected automatically. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head down to Settings, then open the Domain section. This is where Shopify manages all domain connections for your store. Click Buy New Domain to begin. In the search box, type the name you want for your brand, then click Search. You'll see availability and pricing for different extensions. Pick the option that fits your brand and budget, and click Buy next to the domain you want. Next, Shopify will ask for domain registration details. Choose Individual as your contact type and confirm that selection. You'll then fill out the registrant information for the domain, your full name, address, city, postal code, and an email you actively use. This information must be accurate because domain ownership is regulated, and you may receive important verification messages. Shopify often includes privacy protection for eligible domains, which keeps your personal contact info out of public records. Continue through the form fields. When you get to the country dropdown, select your country. I'll choose Afghanistan here for demonstration. You may see the country prompt more than once, for example, for contact details and for billing, so select it wherever it appears. If prompted, choose your state or province from the Select a Region menu to complete the address. Before paying, review any options shown, such as Auto Renew. Enabling Auto Renew helps prevent your domain from expiring unexpectedly. Make sure your email address is correct and double-check the domain spelling and price. Now choose a payment method. You can pick an existing card on file or add a new one. Ensure your billing address matches what your bank expects to avoid a decline. When everything looks good, click Buy Domain. Shopify will process the purchase and automatically connect the domain to your store. DNS and SSL setup usually complete within a few minutes, but it can take a bit longer in some cases. If you receive a verification email from the domain provider, open it and confirm promptly to keep your domain active. That's it. You've added a custom domain to Shopify right from the admin with minimal setup. Keep your contact info up to date, consider leaving Auto Renew on, and if your first choice is taken, try a different extension or a short, memorable variation of your